Wandering in the forest along the clearing's edge, looking for his cat, man discovered a large house in a bend. The house was an old stiff wooden bench, covered with an unkept, overgrown mesh. The man crumbled, the man crumbled, the man crumbled. The man crumbled, the man crumbled. The snake was an abandoned crouch. The man climbed up the wobbly, creaky staircase to the mouth. The hole was empty, crooked and dust-bound. The man locked the front door behind the clouds. The man crumbled, the man crumbled, the man crumbled. The man crumbled, the man crumbled. Peering through the brush, the man wiped the dust off a tiny window facing the plush. The man sat down on an old cushion facing the rough. Dust plume from the sofa, the man coughed up the hush. The man crumbled, the man crumbled, the man crumbled. The man crumbled, the man crumbled. Staying seated, he secretly watched the men studying golf balls with flight. He saw again the same incredibly beautiful man he had already secretly seen on the ground at the edge of the light. He longed for the tumble, but he stayed hidden at the edge where the man crumbled. The man crumbled.